everybody. So this is our daily agenda for the 23rd of February. Reminders, today's evens. Your progress reports are going out today, so grades have been finalized. If you need to talk to me about your grade, talk to me after class. Additionally, today we are having our quiz for chapters 1 through 6, and your 8th grade elective form that we worked a little bit on yesterday is going to be due on Wednesday. So make sure you keep up with that if you haven't done it. For your due now, you're writing your free response, your free write, on chapter 6, which you read yesterday in class. Then we are taking your chapters 1 through 6 quiz, which is a multiple choice quiz, and then reading chapter 7, and then you guys are responsible for your chapter response pages. You should be caught up to chapter 6 as of today. So if you are not, that is your homework. Really quick, this is our free write for chapter 6. Jerry Wood tells Ponyboy, you shouldn't be smoking. And this was in 1967. Why do you think so many young people still smoke cigarettes when we know about all of the serious health risks, especially today in 2021? I left some sentence frames for you guys there saying, I think people still smoke cigarettes today because, or young people still smoke today because. So, just there for you guys to help you guys start writing. You'll write for 5 minutes. Then we will move on to our quiz for chapters 1 through 6. You have 10 minutes to take this quiz, answer to the best of your ability, and the quiz is multiple choice. Additionally, then you will have The Outsiders, chapter 7, page 85, for those of you that like the page number. We will be going through that chapter, and then you guys are, of course, responsible for your response pages. Remember, you're responsible for chapters 1 through 6. I try to give you guys 1 to 2 questions to answer each night. Our exit ticket today is going to be a little bit hefty. I want you guys to really start getting into this novel. So on page 100, Pony says, Socios were just guys after all. They were rough all over, but it was better that way. That way you could tell the other guy was human too. In your own words, what can you infer about Ponyboy by using this frame? Why did he say that socks were just guys after all? And then, why is it significant that 2-Bit thought Johnny, Dally, and Pony were heroes all along, even before they saved the kids? And then some sentence frames for you guys. This is significant or important because, or we can infer that Ponyboy said that because. So that's going to be our day for tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.